Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So we're in basically 10 miles Bull Bay, right on the border of St. Thomas and St. Andrew. So this is basically where the St. Thomas Highway will start. So you're gonna enter from here, and up at the top right there, they're making a bridge to go over the river, which you'll see in the drone video. So watch till the end, because the drone video will show a lot more around this area. It will show the path from this end that the highway will take, and you know, you'll also see another drone video will show the continuation of the highway from the Grand Spin area heading into St. Thomas. So first I'm going to cover this area in terms of the start of the highway out here in Bull Bay. So stay tuned. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and definitely leave a comment as well. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers, so share the video, borrow somebody's phone beside you, subscribe, and also if you want to donate to the channel, we have PayPal, you know, that help the channel to continue as well. So this is where the highway is starting. Before we send up the drone, I'm just gonna do a little drive around this area right here in Bull Bay, so you guys can see this area as well. They're also widening the road, so they have purchased quite a few properties to widen the road. Some of them have been demolished already, so I'll show you guys a glimpse of that as well. Stay tuned. Alright, so as promised, just gonna show you guys a little glimpse of this area. Again, this is where the highway is gonna start to cut out most of the existing road. Leading up to right here, they're widening the road, so they have purchased quite a few properties. Alright, so this is the current main road. So this road will be widened. Alright. So this is one of China Harbor site where they'll build certain bridge structures and other concrete structures and then transport it. Alright, so just giving you guys a glimpse of the area before we switch to the drone video. So widening up out this side. And some of the properties have not yet moved back in terms of their perimeter fence. Alright guys, so alright guys, so for example in this area they brought back that perimeter fence for that house just to widen the road area leading up to the highway. So that's basically what I'm referring to. So we'll be setting up the drone now, so look out for the drone shots. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe as well. So thanks for watching, thanks for clicking on the video, thanks for supporting St. Thomas Highway. Can't wait till it's finished, and of course I'm gonna drive on it when it's finished for you guys as well, so you guys can see. Alright, let's go into the drone shots.